Hey, what's up guys, it's Sluny here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial of how to get the glowy skin look for the summer. This look is great for the summer. This look is great to go to the beach or to go out to run errands or just to hang out with your friends or your homies. You don't necessarily have to have the products that I have, but you can use something similar. Let's jump into the tutorial. The lighting is terrible and I'm literally filming in front of my window, so the lighting will change in seconds, so just bear with me. First, I'm gonna start off with the facial spray. I love this thing. It gives off like a cooling sensation onto my skin. I don't have a liquid illuminator to put on my skin before foundation, so I was looking around my room and I was like, I might as well just use the bio oil. So I mean, it's great. It's good for stretch marks, uneven skin tone, and aging and dehydrated skin. So this is great, and I was like, I might as well just use this since I don't have an illuminator. So I'm gonna put just a little bit onto my skin. Oh shoot. Put some let's see, on the high points, chin, nose, forehead. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever HD. This is a buildable foundation. I don't think this has SPF in it. And I'm gonna use my some setting spray onto my beauty blender to get it wet. By the way, I'm not going to put any primer on, so I mean, you can use primer before foundation or before putting the liquid illuminator or bio oil. I just skipped primer and just went straight to foundation. Then I'm going to be taking some concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. It's my favorite concealer. And putting some under the eyes, down the bridge of my nose, forehead, under my nose, and my chin. So after foundation concealer, you guys can go ahead and set your face with setting powder or loose powder. I put a little bit onto my face because I still want to see that sheer, that glow still peeking through the foundation. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be taking the It's My Ray BH Cosmetics. Taking a fluffy brush and using this color right here. Put it into the crease. And then I'm going to take this lighter shade right here and putting it onto the lid. You guys can go ahead and skip the eyeshadow part and just go straight to eyeliner and mascara, or however you would like to do. But to me, I'm going to go with the eyeshadow. I'm going to line my eyes with some eyeshadow. I'm going to use this dark brown shade right here. Now that eyeliner's done, you guys can go ahead and put on some falsies. I'm going to be putting on some falsies, but they're the natural looking falsies, so they're not too dramatic. The lashes are on. After that, I took some rose gold eye pencil and put that on my waterline. This is the brand Hard Candy in the color rose gold. Underneath, I took the same eyeshadow that I put on my crease and then put it underneath my eyes, and then followed up with mascara on the bottom lash. Now I'm going to start contouring. I'm going to be using this angled tiny brush right here and taking some of the Too Faced in the color Chocolate Soleil in medium deep. Contouring my nose, my cheeks, forehead, and underneath my chin. Moving on to the blush palette. This is the Sephora brand. And to me, I use the same brush that I use with contour and blush. I don't know, I'm weird. But I just mix the colors because I really don't have a preference and it doesn't matter. But I'm going to be using these 3 colors. Go ahead and start blending. Now for some highlight, I'm going to be using the Becca in the color Champagne Pop. I'm going to set my face real quick. Can you see that? How about that glow? Some on the tip of my nose, down the bridge, and Cupid's bow. Alright, so moving on to the brows, I'm going to be taking the Kylie Cosmetics in her Powder Duo in the color Dark Brown. If you guys haven't already watched my first impression and review on the Kylie Cosmetics Kybrow, you can go ahead and check that out. It will be linked in the description box below. Champagne Pop highlighter and putting that into the corner of my eyes. And also I'm going to apply that underneath my brow bone. I'm going to apply some lipstick or lip gloss. I wish I had clear lip gloss, but unfortunately I do not. Go ahead and use the same bio oil. This is the final look. I don't know if the camera's catching it, but I'm gonna go outside. I'm not sure if the camera's picking up on the glow, but this is the final look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on that post notification so you can notify whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys soon.